Watching sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Sydney and I am so happy you stopped by. Today I am tackling my bathroom closet and under our sink area. As you guys can tell, we kind of just let it go and there was no rhyme or reason to any sort of organization here. So I am sharing ideas of how you can organize your bathroom closet or under the sink if you are also struggling to keep yours organized. So I hope you guys stick around for the major transformation, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Subscribe if you are new here. I would love to say hello, and let's get started. To start off, when I declutter an area, I like to take everything out first and clean as I go. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I did get a few organization bins from TJ Maxx this time that were pretty affordable. I do like getting them there because they tend to come in packs of 2 or 3 sometimes, and I definitely think that's a great cost compared to other stores that sell organization bins. But if you want a more affordable option, Dollar Tree always has tons of options for organization bins, and of course they are only $1 each, so definitely check that out if you are needing more affordable options. I did need to wipe down this under the sink organization thing. Our sink came like this when we moved, so it's been kind of tricky to organize this and to see what fits in here. So I definitely found some good options that could fit in here. These 2 little ones were actually for the kitchen area, but I did think it would work in here as well. Guys, so I'm going to go ahead and share the before really quick once again so you guys can see the difference of what just a few organization bins can make in an area. I did reuse some smaller containers that I had and thought they would work here better, and I just love how everything turned out. This little narrow organization bin definitely worked perfectly in here, and it just makes a huge difference when you can have your items in a specific area and know exactly where to put them. So I am so excited to continue to keep it like this, and I just feel it's going to make a huge difference in the future, just keeping it tidy and not letting it just, and not just throwing things in there. See the shore. We've been here before. Alright guys, so now I'm moving on to our bathroom closet, and as you guys can see, I had somewhat organized it before, but it had been over a year since I last decluttered in here, and I definitely wanted to make sure I tackled this area just to have it more functional and, you know, get rid of random things that don't necessarily belong here. Since this closet is pretty spacious, we just tend to throw things in here because we have the storage for it. But yeah, I'm just taking out everything like I did before and under the sink, and then I'm just gonna declutter as I go and see what I have to work with.
Mind and body just can't agree on what I should do when I don't feel free. You're not holding me back, I know. We're young and we never take things slow. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you had more pain. I calm down and watch it grind, and there it is.
So one of my goals this year is to declutter our entire home, because lately I just feel like we have things everywhere, and sometimes it's because we don't have a specific area for it. So I am working one area at a time to hopefully get us there, and mainly for me to feel less stressed, because just having things everywhere does trigger my anxiety. And although I know my husband and I are in a stage where our kids constantly take toys out and make messes, which I'm fine with, I just want there to be a home for everything. So if you are feeling the same way, I definitely challenge you to do this with me. So now that I have everything cleaned and organized, the last thing I wanted to do was to add a few labels to some of these organization bins to make sure everyone knows where things belong if they need to put anything back. So I grabbed this label maker from Target several months ago, and I'm just using this to make my labels, which was pretty simple. And honestly, making labels for organization bins, I feel definitely makes the biggest difference. So this is the finished, decluttered, and organized bathroom closet, and I am honestly so happy with the way it turned out. I have almost everything in its appropriate bin, and it makes such a big difference, you guys. I also did get me one of these lazy Susans, and I always knew I wanted one for this closet, so I just placed some of my bathroom cleaning items in here only. And I decided to also bring over some towels from one of our hallway closets, since we actually had room to store them in here now. So if you did make it this far into my video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. I truly hope this inspired some of you, because it definitely did give me the motivation to continue to do this throughout my entire home. So definitely stay tuned for future decluttering videos, and I hope to see you in a future video. Bye guys.